would like to discuss with all of you the importance of having sufficient automobile insurance coverage to protect you and your family when there is a catastrophic injury. Primary liability insurance provides you coverage when you cause an accident and someone gets injured. Most of us have anywhere from $50,000 to $300,000 in primary liability coverage. That means if you cause an accident and injure someone, the insurance company will pay up to $100,000 for any accident with injuries that you caused. By law, insurance companies also have to offer you uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist coverage. Underinsured motorist and underinsured motorist coverage provides you protection when someone else causes the accident and someone in your car is injured and suffers a variety of injuries as well. So if you have $100,000 in primary liability, you will be offered $100,000 in uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist coverage. Well, $100,000 is clearly not enough to protect you and your family from catastrophic injuries. So there is a tool which is called an umbrella policy. An umbrella policy is a policy that does provide you additional coverage above the primary limits. So if you get an umbrella coverage of $1 million, you will then have your primary liability coverage of $100,000 plus the umbrella coverage of $1 million. That provides you $1,100,000 in coverage. However, the problem is that many insurance companies, when they provide you umbrella coverage, they don't want to provide you the UIM and UM coverage within the umbrella policy. The reason is, if they do so, they are now insuring you against everyone else's negligence. Because umbrella coverage with UIM and UM is not only protecting you when you cause an injury to someone else, it's protecting you when someone else causes an injury to either you or someone in your car. Insurance companies don't want to provide you UIM and UM to umbrella because the payout is more likely. So if you don't have UIM and UM and some other driver is negligent and injures someone in your car, you only have that primary liability coverage to seek compensation from. You have no UIM or UM. So a perfect example is a client that I just had. She was hit by a car and the driver had no insurance. If she had no UIM or UM in her umbrella policy, she'd be limited to only collecting the $100,000 in her primary liability policy. But because she had $1 million umbrella plus UIM and UM coverage within the umbrella of $1 million, she's now able to make a claim of $1 million, which was very important to her because her injuries were very severe. So, what you should do is check your policies. See if you have a decent umbrella policy, but that also provides UIM and UM. And if your company only wants to provide you a liability umbrella policy without UM and UIM, do a search. Go to Chubb, go to Fireman's, go to Nationwide, and ask them for quotes. You will be pleasantly surprised how affordable 3 to 5 million additional umbrella policy with UIM and UM costs. It's affordable and provides you security.